Once upon a time, in a sea far, far away, lived a curious little narwhal named Narly. Narly was not like other narwhals. He had a long, beautiful horn on his head, which he used to tickle the seaweed and find hidden treasures. One day, Narly found something different in a sunken ship, a mysterious, shimmering object. It was a golden whistle. Narly was so excited, he couldn't wait to try it out. With a blow of his breath, he blew the whistle. A magical bubble appeared, and inside the bubble was a map. The map led Narly to a hidden underwater city, full of wonders and friendly creatures. Narly swam through the glowing city, exploring every nook and cranny. He met a wise old octopus named Ollie, who told him that the golden whistle had been lost for centuries and its power could grant a single wish to the one who found it. Narly was amazed. He thought about what he'd wish for. Should he wish for more delicious jellyfish or for a longer horn? As he pondered, he noticed a group of narwhals who had been trapped in a dark cave. Narly knew what he wanted to wish for. He ran to Ollie and said, "I want to save my friends." Ollie nodded and wished for Narly's friends to be safe and happy. With a shimmer of light, the dark cave turned bright, and the narwhals were free. They thanked Narly for his bravery, and Narly felt happy knowing he made a difference. From that day on, Narly continued to explore the sea, helping others and spreading joy wherever he went. The end.